Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are enjoying your day so far. Today I'm going to be showing you all one of the easiest type of wigs that you can install, and that is one with bangs. If you have bangs, guys, you don't have to do all the melting, you don't have to do all the gluing down, you don't have to use any spray necessarily. These type constructions are really quick and easy, and they're one of my favorite actually. I love a bang unit. The unit that I'm going to show you all is from Nadula Hair. This is what the box looks like. I actually got the inspiration for this particular look from an influencer by the name of Katana. I don't know if you all follow her on Instagram or on YouTube, but she had this long, beautiful bang look that I was like, oh my goodness, I want to try that. And I've done bangs before on my channel, but I've done it with like a long bob. But this one is actually with some 20-inch, I believe some 20-inch straight hair. So this is the unit. I don't know if I got 20 or 24, that's why I said that, but we're about to see. It does come with an elastic band. It's in this little package here. This is one that you can adjust, so you can make it tighter, you can make it looser, you can just kind of adjust it to your liking. I'm not going to sew this on. I hope I won't need to, but we're going to see. And I did get Brazilian texture for those who may be wondering. So this is the wig, guys. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is 20 or 24. I'll leave it in the description box because I can't even remember. I'm gonna have to go back and look that up, but the hair feels amazing. And I'm hoping these bangs are not too short. Some companies will do bang units and then they cut it too short. I like when they cut it longer because what that does is it gives me the flexibility to kind of create the look that I desire rather than having to go with whatever they created for me. Because if it's too short, there's really nowhere to go from there. So I'm going to try it on. Hopefully this works out. Oh yeah, these look, oh yeah, these are going to be perfect. Yeah, this is one of those wigs that you can just be out of the house with in no time because you don't have to do all of this. The lace we really don't have to worry about. Now it's good for this area in the parting to have lace, so then it appears to be more natural there. You don't want something that's just kind of fall into the back and with it because you'll kind of see that. So that helps out in that way. But yeah, this is going to be really good. The hairline has been pre-plucked and that's really good. So that if you want to actually do some styling, you want to put it up in a little ponytail here, you can do that. Yeah, this is gonna be so cute. Y'all, I think this might actually be 24 inches because it's coming all the way down here. Yeah, so this is really long. I hope my bangs aren't too thin. I can't tell yet. They might be okay. I think I might cut a little bit more on the sides just to frame my face a bit more, but this is gonna be so cute. Yeah, so we're gonna play around with this. I think I'm gonna put some foundation on the lace and cut the lace off in the front. So this is what the unit looks like on the mannequin head. I want to show you all this pre-plucked hairline a little closer. They actually did a good job. And the lace that they use seems to be transparent lace, so it's really thin and also seems to be really sturdy. And as you can see, it has been pre-plucked even in the area where the bang is. So if you wanted to pull it back, you could do that, but that's not what we're gonna do because I want a wig that I could just throw on and go. And this unit also seems to have at least the parting space here pre-bleached, which is great. Oh, it's actually, it looks like the rest of it has been bleached as well. So that's good. If you wanted to actually braid some of this back, you could do a number of different styles. That work has already been done. So this seems like a really effortless, no work needed unit. You could just cut the lace off. You might have to flat iron the hair a little bit though, because of how it was packaged. And you're good. You're going to be looking super fancy, looking expensive with your long, beautiful Brazilian hair. So what I'm going to do now, I do want to tint the lace just to make sure it matches a bit more with my skin tone. So we're going to do that now, and then I'm going to cut the lace off.
breath is getting dark.
So let's see what this unit looks like and how easy I'm going to be able to install. All right, so we're going to take these clips off that I used to move the hair out of the way while I cut the lace off. So now let's put this unit on, see how it's fitting, and I'm also going to flat iron the hair. And y'all, putting the foundation on the lace made a really good difference in this area. I feel like it looks more natural now. And I think this unit would even be cute, just kind of swept to the side like it is currently. That's cute. And I always seem to comb too much hair forward. So I have these little long strands in the front. It's always confusing what's the bang and what's the hair that should be in the back. First off, what I'm going to do, because I told you guys this is going to be a really easy install, I don't actually want to use Got2b glue or freeze spray or anything. Of course you can do that, but I'm not. So I'm just going to put some bobby pins on the sides just to keep the lace from lifting. But that elastic band would be an amazing added touch for this style of unit. I wish it was already sewn on though. All right, so I'm going to put a bobby pin right here.
I think I might need CPR. Tell me, do you love me like I do?
Okay, and I'm also gonna put a bobby pin on the other side.
Tell me what you willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true, that you mean the world to me. Travel around the globe, but I know that you the only girl for me.
I love, love, love bangs. They are so stunning, giving me that Naomi Campbell vibe. Now, when I do my bangs, I like to also pull some more hair forward along the sides because I want to frame my face a little more. And I also want to ensure that none of the lace is showing. So I just want to comb the bangs forward just to show you all what has already been pre-cut. All right, so this is what they've cut. These are the bangs. But I also want to take maybe about, you see how you can see my edges? And even some of my cap here. I want to ensure that you can't see any of that. So I'm going to take maybe about an inch or two wide along the sides. And I'm also going to cut this area too. Let's move the rest back.
And I gotta let you know.
Now when I cut, I usually start in the center. And I'm just going to try to align the bangs with the pupils of my eyes.
Cover strawberries and wine.
All right, then I'm gonna work my way over to the sides. Make sure they're even. But along the sides, I want it to be kind of rounded. So I'm gonna work at an angle when I cut this side.
I love you all the time. Roses at your feet. Baby girl, be mine. Baby girl, be mine.
To do is bump the bangs just to ensure that this isn't the right length, because I can see it a little more with the style that I'm trying to achieve, because I generally don't have my bangs super flat to my head. I have like a little bump using my flat iron, so I'm going to test that out first and then go in shorter as needed. So if you're going for super blunt bangs, then what I'd suggest is to cut straight across, but that's not what I'm going for. I'm going for a look that's more so straight in the middle, but that kind of rounds itself out, and that's going to help to frame my face. I love, love, love how flat this unit lays at the top. Some banged units that I've gotten in the past, not from this company, but from other companies, they generally are bulky at the top here, or either in this area, but this one is rounded really nicely. It's flat where it needs to be. It just looks really, really good. This one would also be so cute in a ponytail. Someone asked me in my last video what flat iron I was using. It's this Ion Copper Deluxe flat iron, and this one I got from Sally Beauty. And the dial on this one goes all the way up to 400. So now I'm going to use a flat iron in order to bump the bangs, and if I find that they're still too long, I'm going to cut them a little more and then proceed to flat iron this hair.
One time for the draft, you already know what it is. Look.
Swinging through the city with my bang. That's my main thing. Had to switch it up. Had to switch. Had to change that. Swinging through the city with my bang. That's my main thing. Had to switch it up. Had to switch. Had to, yeah.
done came down, had to pull up. Pull up on you, had to tell you how much it mean to me. Girl, you know it's true, I ain't got a lot of dollars in my pocket, but my heart is what you put your stock in. I don't need no other options. Baby, won't you come and hop in? We can take the 45 to 20. Introduce you to the east side. Ride or die, you my all or nothing. Baby girl, won't you be mine? You ain't gonna need nobody else. I'ma have to keep you all to myself. Girl, I know that's selfish, but I just can't help it. That's why I keep
Swinging through the city with my babe.
Oh, girl, I wish you would make up your mind. I can tell by the look in your eyes. You're not happy with the man you're standing by.
Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look. I do want to show you guys what it looks like in its entirety, but this top that I have on is driving me crazy. It's made really weird. It's from Shein, but the crisscross that it has going on is exposing me in certain ways that I move. So I'm just gonna switch into a dress, and this dress would be very appropriate for Valentine's Day. So yeah, I'm gonna switch now, so I'll be back on in a moment. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look. The hair, the outfit, everything came together so nicely, and this is most likely what I'll be wearing on Valentine's Day. I feel like pink is just a staple color. Y'all know, pink and red. If I don't do this dress, I'll probably do like a blush pink or a red dress for whatever my husband has prepared for us. But I feel like this one with the satin look to it, and then also the wrap feature in the middle and this unit, I just feel like everything just came together really nicely, and it just looks so good. This unit is so bomb, and I love the versatility of having a lace front with the bang. I haven't seen myself with a straighter texture in bangs in like a year or so, and I'm really feeling this. Y'all, this unit is so gorgeous. I love that I went the extra mile and got longer length. Getting the hair in lit 24 was a stretch for me in a straighter texture. The last unit that I showed you guys on my channel was in lit 24, but it was a curly texture. But having straight hair this long is so different for me. I don't do it a great deal, but when I do it, it's like, ooh, Mary, you being real extra today. But I really like it. And my husband was like, ooh, you got bangs, you got straight hair today. I think he kind of likes it as well. But this is one of those straight textures that's going to be so convenient. But yeah, guys, I cannot wait to hear what you all think about this unit. I can't stop touching it. It feels so great. But yeah, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you all think about the entire look. Leave your comments and feedback. Also, share this video with a friend. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
That's so bad, but I just can't help it.